Sometimes one security camera is just not enough, and you probably need 4 to monitor your whole house. So let's look at this product. Whoa! Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew. Today we're going to be taking a look at this awesome Botslab 4-camera solar-powered security system. And it's got AI built into it. This thing is loaded. This system is going to give you high quality footage, it's going to give you AI, and it's even going to give you storage, so you don't have to rely on the cloud. It's packed full of features. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're looking at this Botslab 4K PT battery 4cam kit. Packaging looks really nice on this thing. Very cool. We'll check out the back. Wow. Tons of features in this product. Very cool. Let's go ahead and open it up. One of the first things you see in the box are all the mounts. There's so many mounts for this, so don't worry, they got you covered. That's 4 mounts for 4 cameras. We've also got these 4 mounts right here, and these mounts are going to be used to mount the solar panels as well. All of the screws and bolts that you'll need to get the mounts set up and the camera set up. We've got stickers that are included. We've got mounting guides that are included. Wow, everything you need to get it set up, and also to say, hey guys, I'm watching you. That's included. We've got this after sales information right here. This will just be for support, so you can contact them if you have any issues. We've got our quick start guide and user manual here, so do keep in mind this is going to be important because this is going to teach you about setting up the app and how to get the most out of your product. All the cables you'll need for setting everything up. So we got USB-A to USB-C cables. They're all included for powering your devices and getting them going and charged up. We've got a wall plug here and an Ethernet cable because this does come with a home base, so that home base is where all the data is sent to. That way you can save your footage without the need for a cloud. We've got our solar panel here, and these look really nice, and keep in mind 4 of these are included because all the cameras do need their own solar panel. We've got the home base right here, and this thing looks really nice. It kind of looks like a modem or a router. But basically, you'll plug this up into your modem or a router, and then all the cameras will connect to this, and then your app will also connect to this. And as you see, there's also an expansion port right here, so you can upgrade it for more memory, but it does come with memory, so you don't have to rely on needing a cloud. You can just use this and get it all set up. And then we have the cameras, and whoa, these things look so nice. These are very high quality. This is just a gorgeous camera system right here. We've got our power button right here. We've got our port to hook up the solar panels into. And my goodness, peel that off. We know you love to see it. That looks so nice, guys. A 4K security camera. It also turns and spins and looks up and down. Right here, we've got a reset button and an ability to add a TF card. Goodness, this thing is gorgeous. And there's 4 of these. Wow. But let's go ahead and get everything set up and try it out. This is the Botslab Advanced AI Tech 4K Battery 4cam System. This is the W510. Stunning 8 megapixel ultra clear 4K ultra resolution with vivid color night vision captures every detail day or night, providing full color sharp images for all around outdoor surveillance. No subscription and secure storage. You can enjoy local storage with the H200 home base. Automatically loops up to 2 months, expandable to 16 terabytes, and it uses 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, ensuring reliable, long-distance, lag-free viewing without monthly fees. Intelligent Botslab IQ AI power detection identifies visitors, sends descriptive alerts, evaluates suspicious activity, and enables quick searches for people, vehicles, or objects in historical footage within seconds. Smart connectivity and easy operation, cross-camera tracking with H200 Home Hub links events automatically. 4 monitoring zones display simultaneously in the Botslab app for simplified at-a-glance management. And it's got a 360-degree surveillance with eco-powered panoramic 360-degree view, tracks vehicles, pedestrians, and pets accurately. Solar Panel Plus 10,000 mAh battery ensures uninterrupted, eco-friendly operation and easy installation without complicated wiring. Everything you need is included in the box, and the system has got so many amazing features.
features that you're going to feel safe and you're going to know what's going on all the time. This thing is super awesome, super quality, and I gotta say, Botslab, great job.
This is our first time working with Botslab, and this thing is just so awesome. It's packed full of so many awesome features for such a great price. It's definitely just giving you that peace of mind that you really need. We'd like to give a huge shout out to Botslab for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I'm today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.